a friendship that will never end. When you are weak, I will be strong, helping you to carry on. Call on me, I will be there. Don't be afraid. Please believe me when I say, count on. You can count on me. Oh, yes, you can. Ooh, I know sometimes it seems as if we're standing all alone, but we'll get through it, 'cause love will let us fall. Sheep that will never end. When you are weak, I'll be strong to carry on. Call on me, I will be there. Don't be afraid.
Normally, musically, when you can't reach the high notes, the best thing is to sing a low octave of that high note.
You are too careful. You remember your bad performances. You come here, you sound like how bad was sing, and in the process of singing.
There was one where it was really, really bad. You went up and then you broke before you got to the top. And then there were parts where you sounded like we are rushing to get to the end of the line and was unnecessary. But other than that, you know, the last two performances, last week, this week, signs of you improving.